What's up, everybody? I'm Kansu, and this is the Crystal Corner. Today, I wanted to do something a little bit different, and I wanted to talk to you guys about one of my favorite things to do when it comes to trying to get messages, and that is the use of divination tools. Now, what is divination? Real quick. This is going to be a very, very quick, short video for you guys. If you guys are new to the channel, first of all, I want to say thank you. Go ahead and make sure that you hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell down there so you get notified every time I post a video. For everybody that's returning, appreciate your support. I got some really, really cool things on the way coming for you guys. Matter of fact, you give me 1 second. I don't edit these videos, so all of this is happening live, but we're working on some stuff here. Cool. I just needed to grab one more thing. So I have here today 4 different divination tools. Divination is basically a process of asking the spirits of your subconscious for answers. Now, you don't want to come ask them, basic stuff like, oh, is it going to rain tomorrow? Or, oh, am I going to get a snow day? Stuff like that. This is more so for, life events and things that you're trying to figure out, decisions that you're trying to make. Not to say that you can't ask those types of questions, because you absolutely can. Sometimes you just don't really get a clear message when you do things like that. So the first one, ever heard of flip a coin? Boom. Right? Real simple. So what you want to do, first of all, with your divination tools, which we have here, is you want to do something called season them. Now, to season them, as weird as it sounds, you might want to do something like this. Look, put a little spit on there like that. You know what I'm saying? Keep it in your pocket. Ladies, you can keep it in National Titty Bank, stuff it on in there. Dudes, you can, that little flap that you got in the front of your drawers, you can keep it in there. You can get a little satin bag that you get from the crystal store, give you your stuff, you keep it in one of those. If you don't have a bag like that, you could be like me, get an old t-shirt, okay, and 2 hair ties or 2 rubber bands. What you're gonna do is you take the sleeve of, matter of fact, you know what, y'all? You know what? We're gonna make a bag. We're gonna make a bag live on this video, okay? Random shirt. I got this old shirt from when I was in the Army. I gave it to my mom. She don't wear the shit, so let's go ahead and rip it up. Okay? So I got this shirt. So what you do, essentially, is you take a sleeve. If I can get it to rip, maybe. You know what? I got a knife. Give me a second. This boy sharp, dude. Ripping the sleeve. Bow. Right? So you take the sleeve, you cut the sleeve off. Different colors mean different things. So let's just say you want to keep some loving energy around, just for, sake of example. This is the color of love. You can also use green for that. You're trying to deal with something passionate or money and stuff like that, cool. So what you do is you get a hair tie or a rubber band and you turn this sleeve inside out, okay? It's like you make a ponytail, right? You take it, make sure you get all the edges of it, and you close this joker up just like this. Doesn't have to be perfect, okay? Doesn't have to be perfect. You just want it big enough so that you can fit stuff in it and stuff won't fall out. So boom. Remember to turn it inside out first. So now you take this little bob you have here, boom. You now got a bag. See that? See that? This is what we do in hoodoo. Hoodoo means you use whatever you have around to create your magic. Basic meaning of hoodoo, okay? And you would take your divination tool, stick it in there. You get another hair tie. I don't have one on hand. I lied, I have one right here. Always have one on my wrist. Bow. Makeshift mojo bag. Look at that. Keep this in your pocket, keep this in your purse. Okay? And when you want to use them, you go on, pull it out. And real simple, flipping a coin, you could use 1 coin, 4 coins. I wouldn't use more than 4 coins. Typically, heads is yes, tails is no. So you need an answer. Is my name Kansu Mheb? Remember, heads is yes. Just so you see that I'm not flipping this coin over. Right? It's heads. So that's 1. My second favorite is cowrie shells, okay? Now with cowrie shells, same thing. You want to season them. You want to keep these on you for about 3 days. Just a general rule for me. 3 is a very magic number. But about 3 days. And when you want to add something, if I can get this camera to flip, let me see. So if you want to add something, you shoot them, right? If you get 4 on their bellies, this is the belly, these are teeth, right? If you get 4 on the bellies, this is an absolute fuck no. Whatever it is you ask, don't even ask that question again. The answer is no. You can also ask again to see, because a lot of times when you get 4 like this, it means the ancestors have something to say to you. So you can ask again to see if your ancestors have something to say. If it comes out like this again, it's an absolute hell no. Don't ask nothing else, okay? 2, this is still a no. This is a no, but. So this is a no, but there's something behind it. There's a stipulation behind it, okay? This, with 2 up, 2 down, is a solid yes, okay? This is a balanced yes. I would call this the Ma'at answer. It's balanced. You got 2 and 2, okay? This is a yes, but if you get 3 face up like this and 1 down, I would ask the question again for clarification because there might be something else behind it. It's yes, but there's some dark energy, some negative energy coming into that answer, okay? And then obviously with all 4 face up, that's an absolute solid yes. You don't need to answer the question again. That's a yes, okay? So that's divination tool number 2. Cowrie shells, one of the oldest there is. We now have next a pendulum. Now I'm going to set my elbow on the dresser, as you can see. That way it doesn't move. I'm not moving my hand, so you can see it in the camera. And you want to ask it to show me yes. Yes is going to be a circle, like so. Let me see if I can get it. I'll pronounce it. That's a yes, okay? Show me no. No is going to be side to side. You can get a pendulum from your local Botanica crystal shop. If you can't find one, let me know. I'll be able to get one for you. Shoot me a message, crystalcorner6@gmail.com. You can find me on Instagram at Crystal Corner, or you could email me through my website, which is crystalcorner.bigcartel.com, all of which will have the link in the description below. Now, let's say you still want to do something with the pendulum, but you don't have a pendulum, but you wear necklaces, right? So I'll take this big crystal because it's been seasoned. Seasoned just means that it has incorporated your energy, okay? So I'll take this one off. You can use anything that has a weight on a chain or whatever, and do the same thing. Show me yes. It's going to be a circle, right? Show me no. Right? That's a necklace. Here's another one that a lot of us have that you didn't think to use as a divination tool. But when in a pinch, the brujos and brujas out here got to be able to use what we have on hand, okay? So let me get this put back on. Boom. Okay. How many of us have an iPhone charger? Remember I said you could use anything with a weight on it. Show me yes. See that big circle? Show me no. Real simple. Let's use another kind of obscure one. Here's a scrunchie. Show me yes. Show me no. See the circle in the side to side? You can use anything as a pendulum. Just be creative. And last but not least, how many of y'all shoot dice? Same principle as flipping a coin, but with 2 dice, it's high and low, right? So what's high? Anything above 6. So 7 through 12, if you use 2 dice, is going to be high. Low is going to be 6 and below. So low is no, high is yes, right? If you use 1 die, it's the same thing. 1 through 3 is low, and then 4 through 6 is high. I prefer to use 3 dice. That's just me. That means 1 through 9 is low, and 10 through 18 is high. All you got to do, you take your dice, right? Bow, you shoot them things. So we got 10, 12. See? 12, that's a yes. Real simple. I just wanted to give you a really quick video on some quick divination tools that you can use and how to use them. Like I said, you don't want to ask basic questions for this. This is more like trying to decide what you need to do. Hey, should I move over here? Hey, should I take this job? Should I talk to that person? Do my ancestors have a message for me, or I need clarification? I'm thinking this means this. Is this what this means? You know what I'm saying? To clarify some emotional feelings that you might be having. A lot of us have anxiety and stuff like that. So this is a way to make decisions. And keep in mind that the answers aren't coming from the tools themselves. It's coming from your subconscious. It just communicates through these things. Everything can be used as a sign or a tool. You just got to know how to use them. That's what I'm here for at the Crystal Corner. Once again, if you like my content, please make sure that you go ahead and hit that like button down there. Also, make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. I'm still doing the giveaway for my favorite book, one of my favorite books, once we hit 150 subs on this channel here, of The Alchemist. And all you have to do to get into that contest is make sure that you comment this video, like, and subscribe. All the links to my descriptions will be in bio below. I also offer oracle readings, tarot readings. I do natal charts. I make custom jewelry and a multitude of other things as well. So just get at me. I'm Kansu. This is the Crystal Corner, and I'll get at y'all at a later date. Peace.